January 29th, 2022. A chilling discovery on the streets of Canton, Massachusetts that would spark a legal battle full of twists, mystery, and controversy. This is the story of Karen Reed, a Boston police officer's girlfriend, and the tragic death of John O'Keefe. Accused of murder, Karen's trial has captivated the nation. Is she guilty, or was she the victim of a vast law enforcement cover-up? Stay with us as we dive deep into the courtroom drama of the Karen Reed case. Karen Reed and John O'Keefe's relationship seemed ordinary, but in January 2022, everything would change. After a night out with friends, a dispute escalates, and O'Keefe is found dead in the snow not far from his friend's house. Was it an accident? Or did Karen, in a moment of anger, drive over O'Keefe, leaving him to die in the cold? That's where the mystery begins. As investigators dig into the case, they find troubling evidence against Karen. Broken taillight pieces matching her car hair on her SUV, and her voice on an incriminating voicemail left for John saying, "I hate you." Prosecutors claim Karen struck John with her vehicle in a snowstorm, then left him to die. A broken taillight and hair on the SUV are presented as key evidence, making the case seem like a clear-cut one. But Karen's defense team wasn't buying it. They argue that the injuries found on John's body didn't match the claim of being hit by a car. His skull fractures and claw-like markings suggested something far more sinister. Was this really a murder? Or was Karen Reed just caught in the crossfire of a deeper conspiracy within law enforcement? The defense pushes the theory that O'Keefe was assaulted inside a house, and that evidence was mishandled during the investigation. After weeks of testimony, the jury deadlocks and a mistrial is declared. The case is far from over. In 2024, the retrial begins with new evidence and new twists. Digital forensic expert Shannon Burgess testifies, pointing to SUV data, but the defense questions his credentials, claiming that evidence may have been misleading. The plot thickens. The trial sparks national interest. True crime enthusiasts and news outlets cover every development. But amidst the legal drama, Karen faces a personal battle with health issues, including a recent battle with colon cancer. Her health struggles add a heartbreaking layer to the trial. It's not just a fight for her innocence, but for her life. As the retrial nears its end, both sides present their closing arguments. Prosecutors urge the jury to convict based on the evidence they've gathered. But the defense calls for the jury to consider the possibility of a cover-up, pointing to the inconsistencies in the case. The jury deliberates. The tension is palpable. The fate of Karen Reed hangs in the balance. Will justice prevail, or will she be forever tied to a crime she may not have committed? Finally, after a long and grueling trial, the verdict is delivered. Was Karen Reed guilty of murder, or was she the victim of a legal nightmare? The Karen Reed case remains a chilling reminder of the complexities of justice. Whether you believe in her innocence or guilt, one thing is clear: the truth is more elusive than we can ever imagine. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is Karen Reed a victim of a corrupt system, or was she the perpetrator of a tragic crime? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this case and others like it. In that darkened deliberation room, each juror wrestles with their conscience, the air thick with uncertainty. Outside, the world holds its breath, waiting for a resolution to this harrowing tale. As the gavel strikes down, the room erupts with a whirlwind of emotions, leaving everyone wondering if justice has truly been served, or if another life has been irrevocably changed.